Hi friends, welcome to another section in this course, Recurrent Neural Network. In this section, we are going to take a look at what are the building blocks of RNN and what are the various types of RNN and what are the differences between these types like basic RNN versus LSTM versus TRU. Also, we'll take a look at a sample code wherein we'll see an RNN in action. Architecture of RNN. In this video, we are going to take a look at what is a recurrent neural network and what are the building blocks of a recurrent neural network. Recurrent neural network. It is also abbreviated or represented in a short form as RNN. So, RNN are a type of neural networks which are used in general for text modeling. These neural networks differ from that of a simple neural network, like in the sense they have data dependency between the current and the previous input. So below is the pictorial representation of an RNN. So what you see here in the left hand side, this is supposed to represent an RNN in general. And this on the right hand side is the detailed pictorial representation when you're going to unfold an RNN. So now first let's concentrate on the basic representation. So as you see here, we have an input represented by X, S will be our hidden state, and O will be our output. So what's happening here is, as you see this W here, whatever, it shows that there is a data dependency between current and the previous unit. I think we'll understand this better when we see our RNN representation in the right hand side. So as we see, there's a data dependency between these two units of the RNN. Say here that ST, the hidden unit, is always dependent on the output of the previous hidden unit. And this is nothing but what we mean by data dependency between the current and the previous input. And all this t minus 1, t plus 1, they are going to represent your states of the RNN at that particular time instance. We will take a deeper look at an example of RNN wherein you will understand it better in the next video and also in our sample code wherein we'll have a practical representation of RNN working.